This short guide shows how to buy shares of Eastern Bankshares Inc., a regional bank holding company offering retail and commercial banking services. Eastern Bankshares trades on NASDAQ under the ticker EBC. This is educational information only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds before placing any order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker EBC to find the listing. Select the Eastern Bankshares Inc. entry to ensure you have located the correct stock. On the stock page, review the company's profile and the price chart to confirm it matches Eastern Bankshares. Check that the exchange is NASDAQ and the ticker is EBC before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to spend, review your order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may only execute when it reopens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio for review. A link to eToro is available in the description below if you want to follow the same example.